Welcome to CocoBella Academy. If you love all things hair extension related, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started.
We will start by taking our weft of hair and folding it over. We will place the weft at our desired starting point. Once happy with the position, we will clip to secure. For wefts of hair, we would recommend using the stronger crocodile clips to secure the weft. We will start our first section at the left side, ensuring the starting point is roughly 2 inches from the hairline. We will now prepare our first section. Taking a 2 to 3 inch section of the client's natural hair, no wider than 2 fingers, ensuring the section is neat and clean of any stray hairs. Once happy with the section, using your tail comb, divide the hair into 3 equal sections. When done so, using a small clip, place the first and third section above, keeping the middle or second section free. We will now prepare the second section as it will be easier to access before we attach the weft. We will repeat the first steps. Taking a 2 to 3 inch rectangle section and dividing the hair into 3 parts. Once you have the 3 parts, place the first and third above to leave the middle section free. Now we are ready to attach the weft to the natural hair. We will start by placing the weft directly over the middle section, pierce through the weft and take the middle section through the weft. Once the middle section is through the weft, take a small amount of the weft and bring the first and third section down to join all 3 sections together. Once all sections are collected, using the pre-loaded looper tool, feed the natural hair through the looper tool and feed the micro ring onto the natural hair. Now, using your pliers, position the micro ring at a 0-degree angle, ensuring the section lays flat, and once happy clamp down on the micro ring. We will repeat this step with our second section. Take the middle section, feed through the weft, collecting a small section of the weft and releasing the first and third section, collecting them all together. Once all sections are collected, using the pre-loaded looper tool, feed the natural hair through the looper tool and feed the micro ring onto the natural hair. Before clamping down on the micro ring. To enable the correct placement, hold the micro ring in place using the pliers with one hand and using the other hand create a little tension by pulling the section downward. This will help you get the micro ring in the correct position before you clamp down. We will now repeat the previous steps until we reach the end of the weft. Please remember, do not rush when sectioning. Take your time to get it right. Speed will come in time and experience. When you have reached the end and need to trim the excess weft, please only use small beauty scissors, as it will be very easy to cut the client's natural hair. The beauty scissors are smaller and will give you more control. Feel free to use your finger to create a barrier between the client's hair and the weft, and only cut one weft at a time. For more security, we would recommend doubling up the micro rings at the anchor points of the weft.
For more detailed training and to obtain accreditation, all our courses can be purchased on our website, linked below. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. See you on the next video.